Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on cryptocurrency, okay, Bitcoins. What we are going to do in this project is nothing but we are going to analyze the cryptocurrency YouTube comments. Okay, we are going to analyze the sentiment of the YouTube comments. So let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using in this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework to develop web applications in Python. So for database, we are using here MySQL. Let us see how to execute this project. There are two different types of users are interacting in this project. First is the administrator, second is the user. Let's go to user and try to register a new user here. Email ID, password, confirm password, phone number, country, profile photo. And you can see the message here, password should have at least one uppercase letter. So we have given some validations for the password and rest of the fields. Let me give some valid password with one special character, one uppercase and one number at least, and total 8 characters. And registration is successful. Now let's try to log in with the same credentials. What if I provide invalid password? Wrong email ID and password, the message we have displayed. Let's try to give the correct email ID and password now. And here it says your account is not approved at all. Okay, so the account approved. Well, account approval has to be done by the administrator. Okay, let's go to admin and try to authorize this account from admin. Let me log in with the admin credentials here. And the admin login is successful. You can see here we have designed admin dashboard kind of user interface for the administrator here, where we can see some information like how many pending users are there, total users, corrections, and comments. Let's go to user management, and here we have the option pending users. And we can see there is one user here whose account status is pending. Let's try to accept this user account. And new user added successfully. If we go to all users, we will find that user is available here. Now let's log out and try to log in with the user. Now login successful. This is the dashboard. Now let's go to analysis page and try to do some analysis here. Okay, for sentiment, we know it very well. We have 5 different classifications, which is nothing but positive, very positive, negative, very negative, and neutral. Okay, this is the graph. In this graph, we are going to display the analysis. Now we need to provide here the URL of the YouTube video to do some analysis. Let's go to YouTube and check some, okay, YouTube video on cryptocurrency and provide the YouTube URL here. So I'm going to YouTube and let's check it out. Some cryptocurrency. Yeah, this will be better, I think. So let's copy the address. Let's provide it in this text box, search. And we have got the result here. Okay, this is the video which we are providing as a URL, and you can see as a video, it appears here in our application, and the title of the video is this, and video ID from the YouTube we can see is this. And the right side we have the graph where we are displaying how much totally positive comments are there, approximately 40. Next, very positive are 55 and negative are 5%, total 100%. Okay, if you want, you can see the comment details below. What we are gathering from YouTube, we are doing some web scraping here. YouTube web scraping, what are those things? Is nothing but firstly the YouTube video thumbnail, title, video ID, duration, and comment details. In comment details we have scrapped here the profile photo of the user, the username, and the comment itself. Finally, we are doing the analysis on each and every comment and displaying here the sentiment analysis, whether it is coming under positive, negative, very negative, or neutral. You can see the emoji here as well as the classification. So if you go and check that particular YouTube video, you will find these comments will be there in that. Okay, let's see it. This was a video. Let me pause this. And
sure, not a trade trick.
If I scroll down, sort by US first, you can see waste of time piece. Have you heard the word? Okay, yes mate. Usually these three comments, you can see the same here. Waste of time piece. Have you heard the word? Yes mate. Same comments. Okay, we have done here sentiment analysis of cryptocurrency video from YouTube. Hope you understood it very well. You can test this many times with cryptocurrency videos and you will get the results in this chart. And to provide the URL, you can copy from here just by right-clicking on the video, or you can simply click on the video directly itself and you can copy the URL from the address bar.
Most people think in order to make money in stock market, you need to invest a lot of time, but I disagree.
And you can provide here. It will scrap all the YouTube details like thumbnail, title, video ID, comments, and the comments. Okay, everything like the profile photo of the user who has commented, the name of the user, and the comment itself. Okay, you can play directly from here.
Crypto.
You can play directly the video from here itself. So this video is also done. The analysis you can see here, positive is 20%, very positive is 35%, and negative is 15, neutral is 30, altogether around 100%. So this was the complete project. Hope you understood it very well. If you're getting anything, if you're having any issues regarding the explanation and execution, you can contact me directly to the number given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.